Welcome to the Lecenté Create base coat video. The base coat is the foundation for beautifully strong nails. Lecenté Create base coat provides a smooth surface for the application for the rest of the Lecenté Create system. So removing as much of the product as we can from the length of the brush, wipe off one side and a bit of the other side so we have a very small amount on. We're going to start about 2/3 of the way down, the nail push back to the cuticle area and pull upwards. I'm going to cover each side as well and just really make sure we're as close into that area as possible. We're also going to cap that free edge. And then we're going to place the finger into the light for 30 seconds.